Assalamu Walaikum. In this video I am going to show you how to make multiple tables in Affinity Publisher same size. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make multiple tables same size. Go to a blank page. Go to the pages section and double click on the blank page. Now we want to make multiple tables same size. Go to the tools section and select the table tools. Draw a table. Now you can see we draw our table. Now we increase the column of this table. Select this arrow and increase. Now we want to make this same table in same size. Click the table, then click right button on our mouse and we can see here copy, cut, paste, group, etc. many option. Now we select the copy option, then click outside of the table, then again click right button and choose paste, then move inside. Now we can see we make two tables same size. You can make any table, apply the same process. Now we can see we make multiple tables same size very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.